I think we're good. I think we're fantastic, actually. All right. I got some breakfast. I got coffee. We got the trailer. We're ready to go. It's loaded up. And then we're going to pick up the Forester. Yes! Oh, shit, I'm so psyched. All right, let's load up the trailer and get out of here. And then we'll talk on the road. All right, we're cruising. We're on the road. And obviously you can tell I'm a tad bit excited today. It's been a long week. I dropped it off at the car last weekend. If you haven't seen the other video. I thought it might be a little quicker, but there was more problems with the car. I wasn't in a rush, of course, so I said just keep it as long as I need it. And it is back. I'm going to get, actually it was ready Friday actually, but I couldn't go get it until today. Today's Tuesday. And they're closed Sunday, Monday. But yes. I think I'll probably wait till I get there a little bit, but spoiler, I mean, it made more power, and all the leaks are fixed, the vacuum leaks. I was getting codes, freaking nightmare, gremlins, and it sounds like it's running good. I don't want to get too excited, but I mean, the graph, did I post it up? I'll put the graph up right now, or I'll show a little bit. The graph looks sick. Nice and smooth. We picked up about 1.5 psi. I think it's a solid 20 psi. So if you want, go ahead in the comments right now. What kind of power do you think I made? VF43, fuel pump, injectors, top mount intercooler, exhaust. Go ahead in the comments. What do you think I got? Wheel and torque. Put it in there right now. And that's it. Just to see what happens. But we got about, I don't know, another 45 minutes. So we're just gonna keep on cruising, and we'll pick this up back when we get there. I'm so excited. This is cool. We got the trailer hooked up. Obviously, you saw that. We're cruising, so let's just wait, enjoy the ride. I'm gonna take it easy, and I will pick this up right when we get there. All right. All right. I wish I could drive a little faster, but it is what it is. All right. All right. All right. I'll see you when we pull up to the shop. All right. Peace.
Series went 7. Trying to think.
Nice.
Wednesday. What did we game? 5, 6. I think that game would have been on Monday. I think they would have. Yeah, next Monday they would have played. That's what it would be too. And you would think a lot of you would think they would. Hey, come to the museum. Everybody knows Midway Park. No, it never happened.
Ooh, sick. Nice STI, dude. Dope. Nice. Oh, you okay, dude? Cool? Yeah. Mind if I record?
No,
cool. That's sick, dude. What's up with this tow rig?
Well, trying to get these center caps on, but I've been having issues because they don't fit the spikes anymore.
Oh, okay.
So, just been battling with American Force, so that sucks. So,
I'm John, by the way.
Jay, nice
What's
to
up,
meet you,
bro?
my man.
Nice to meet you, Jay.
Yeah.
What kind of stuff do you do here?
I usually do like all the parts, set up all the cars on the dyno, all
Cool.
the in-between things. That's kind of like, just like the...
It's a solid spot to work, dude. This dude's a legend, dude.
Yeah.
I remember his name from way back in the day. Like when I bought that thing brand new in 06.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and and I remember, I don't know, maybe after the second year,
Yep.
I was like, let's do this,
Yeah.
you know?
Yeah.
And his name used to come up all the time on the forums.
He's been doing this, so I think the first car he kind of ever modified was he supercharged a 2000 RS Coupe.
Nice.
That was like the first kind of one that he did.
Supercharged, that's different.
Yeah, and then in late 03, he bought his wagon. That was like the first Subaru
Alright.
he had, and then his neighbor had an Evo, and then from there, you know, the rest is history. So,
Yeah, right.
you know, he's like kind of the only one that stuck around like doing it.
Yeah.
Which is kind of nuts because like I've heard him say this a million times. You know, there were plenty of guys back in like the mid 2000s that were like doing this.
Yeah.
And like fast forward to 2023, and there's really around here, there's only in Rhode Island a couple shops that do it. You know. So.
Hey.
What's up, man?
What's up, my friend?
What's going on?
Just talking to your man here, dude. Stoked, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's good.
It's probably had issues since there for fucking the longest, dude.
Yeah.
So if
there's
you've
a
got
lot
some of that shit cleared up, then
funky stuff. So yeah, hopefully it's a little bit better. Yeah, I had a bunch of vacuum leaks and little things, and it's just weird. It was just a weird configuration. So no, it's not. So yeah. But yeah, definitely take care of that brake leak too. Like just like make sure you take a look at the rear driver's side.
All right.
Yeah, it's not like terrible, but it's definitely leaking. So
yeah.
Before it turns into like a
I'll check that
before it kills you.
I do like to live.
Yeah, no doubt. It was cool.
Well,
man.
I'm stoked, dude. And then the graph and power looks sick, dude. I mean, that looks fucking damn good.
Yeah, about as
It picked up more than what it had before.
Yeah, it should be about as good as it's gonna get out of that setup. So you know,
that's probably one of the better ones I've seen on that kind of.
Yeah.
It's not a crazy setup. It's just
straightforward. I mean, that's about what I would expect to see. It just like with everything right. That's about how it should be.
And
so.
I was just about to tell him too. Like it's been to a couple of places, and no one's ever been like, oh, all these vacuum lines are like. They just kind of got it.
Nobody cares. They just say, come in, get paid, like you know, whatever. We try to like make it right. So it's important to me to like at least tell people stuff in the car, even things like the brake line things, like they tell you what's going on with the car and your car.
That does make sense too, because I've had all that stuff apart, not like right before I blew up about a year ago. So it's all just kind of getting back on the road and getting back up to speed.
No doubt, man.
Well, fucking A, man.
That's it. Straightforward, anyway. Did he give you the key yet?
Nope.
All right, I'll get it. All right.
Yeah. Well, hey, dude. I'm pretty effing stoked.
Good.
You know.
Good. One step in the right direction.
Yeah. Do you get out at all during the summer, or like any events or anything, or no?
No. I have less time in the summer than any other time of the year.
Everybody wants a car in today and back tomorrow, I'd imagine.
That's it, man. Yeah, I'm just work. Between work and my kid, like that's all I have time for.
Yeah. Oh, how old's the kid?
5.
Oh, nice.
So it's cool.
I get a 10 and 12er.
I used to have more time, but I don't anymore.
Dude,
but
I was just telling him, dude, fucking legend. Been doing it for so long. I'm saying, like one of the first things when I got this thing back in the day was your name. You know, who's on Nosiak when that was like when the forum was a thing.
Yeah, the deaf forum's like dead now.
Yeah,
it's funny. There's nobody on there.
And even like the local SubaruForester.org, you know.
Yeah.
And remember, is eTunes still a thing? I remember your name was big for a while when eTunes was all eTunes.
I never did eTunes.
No?
Never ever.
Oh.
Nope. You can't eTune these cars.
No.
You can't. They don't have a loggable wideband.
Oh.
So if you don't have fueling, how are you supposed to like, tune the car?
Yeah.
You know, I do eTune 15 plus WRXs because they have factory wideband. Built into the car, but like the old cars you can't e-tune them.
How was that?
E-tune them too. Imagine like a car like this trying to e-tune it. It would never run right.
That's
it's not mechanically not right.
You need that. Yeah.
It's like they're all like that. Yeah. Like unless the car is brand new in stock, they all have mechanical. I had a guy come in with a 22 WRX the other day that had mechanical problems. Like he had misinstalled his parts.
Oh sure.
And if I had tried to e-tune that, it would have just been running around circles. You know. Right. Then it looks bad on you because it's like the car doesn't run right.
Yeah.
But like the problem was with his install, which is what it usually is. You know, it's not like
it's tricky sometimes.
Yeah, well, the whole tuning thing is like it's the last stop on the the last stop on the train line. So like every problem comes out at the end, and
it's gonna show up there for sure, amplified.
Jay, no, I mean like half the cars that come in don't work. So
sure.
Was it work in the front?
Yeah,
maybe.
Actually, when I did a street tune with this thing with some guy flew in. You know Moda? They're out in Woburn. They were there in Woburn.
Yeah.
Just some body, Mike Body.
Mikey,
he flew in there and was doing.
Flying. He lives locally.
Does he?
The guy lives in Connecticut.
Oh, they were like, oh, this guy's flying in for like the week, and there's like a spot open. I was like, all right.
Body lives in Connecticut. I've known him a long time.
Wow.
He lives in Connecticut. He's also down in Florida sometimes too. Maybe that's why he's flying in. But he lives in Connecticut.
Oh, cool. Yeah, he was actually a nice guy. They did a good job.
Yeah, he's fine.
Yeah,
nothing wrong with him. He's a reasonably good guy. Like he's been doing it a long time like me. So
I was 7th in line, and by the time he got to me, because he was doing them all in one day, just going out and doing coming back.
Yeah, see, I don't know how you can do 7 in a day. You can't do 7 in a day.
He had 10 lined up.
Yeah.
But 2 didn't show.
Yeah.
And then 3 before me blew up. So he's like, oh fuck. He's like, he comes to here. He's like, I hope you're good. I was like, oh shit.
That's the thing.
He came back. It was fine.
You shouldn't be doing like 7 cars. I only do 1 a day.
Yeah, 1 a day.
You have to. You
Yeah.
can't put the time and attention to each car if you're trying to do 10 cars in a day.
I know, right?
It's impossible.
It's
like
pretty tough,
You know,
I
I take a
imagine.
couple hours even just to tune your car. You
Yeah.
know, like take my time.
Yeah. I appreciate
And
it.
everyone's got a different way of doing it. I feel like you're paying a lot of money, so
Yeah.
you know.
No, this is from what everything, the graph and all that, and what it appears. This is probably the happiest it's ever been.
Should be.
You know?
Well, everything mechanically seems to be correct, so
Yeah. So
You know?
now it's just
it's cool.
go out and put the foot in it.
Yeah, get it loaded up, man.
Yeah. All right.
Enjoy
Again,
it.
I appreciate it, dude.
No problem.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Hopefully, well, you know,
Yeah, you
if
need
it breaks, that's when I'll be calling you back, I guess. So I like to say I'll see you again soon.
Yeah,
Hopefully, we probably will, actually.
Yeah, maybe.
Hey, Jay.
Good to meet you, man.
Yeah, nice talking to you, buddy. I
take care.
appreciate it. Yeah.
What do you think, Jay?
I say.
Good luck with that thing. Oh. Yes. That sounds good. Yeah. All right. Well, he's a man of few words. Guy's a legend, so he doesn't have to say much. But sounds like the car's running good. I do have seems like a small brake leak somewhere that I'll have to repair, or just I don't know. I'm sure it's nothing huge, but I'll check into that. But we got my car back, dude, and it is awesome. But I got to hustle. I got a lot of traffic. I go all the way back. What do we got? 1 hour and 31 minutes at 84 miles. All right, in Boston traffic. So wish me luck. It don't even matter. My car's back. I'm psyched. Yes, and we're loaded with the baller. Oh, my corner's coming by. I gotta pay attention before I wreck this thing. Okay, now I got a little bit of weight here. Huh? Yeah. Why don't you subscribe? Come on, right now, go subscribe. All right. Anyways, it made 317, 341, 317 horsepower at the wheels, 341 foot-pound torque at the wheels. And that's up from my previous of 301 and like I think 332 torque is what I had prior. So that's up, I'd say, a decent amount. And the torque curve looks sick. The boost graph the graph looks dope. And now with no vacuum leaks, I mean, I think the throttle's probably gonna be way better. It should be a lot smoother. I'm super stoked. I can't wait to go drive this thing. That's gonna be coming up next. I gotta go get the kids. I gotta do some other stuff, but I'm psyched to have this thing home. All right, just like that, we're back. Car's home, sounding great. Super stoked. I mean, it's been a minute since we've had this thing back. It's been about a year, like I've said. We all know the deal. The car, I broke the timing belt. And then from there, it was just a cascade of events that led to a year of the car not being on the road. So now we got it back. It's running dope. I got to check the caliper. I looked at it real quick, and it looks like it's just a line to the caliper that was just a shade too loose. So we'll get that set up and cleaned up. And I want to, now that we got everything on, we got the intercooler on, the Grimspeed. I have the duct, the air scoop duct for Grimspeed to match the intercooler, so I'll get that on. And I think, I mean, after that, really just check the caliper, make sure the brakes work good, which I'm pretty sure they're fine. We'll get that on, and then we need to go log some miles on this thing. We need to go driving. So, and that's it. And then next up for work on this thing is body work and paint. So that's gonna be sick. And then we also have, so we got the spectator drag season coming up. There's gonna be a bunch of those. We're gonna get to the drag strip, see if I can't, do a little bit better than my last time there. And we got the Subaru events this summer. We got, what's that, Wicked Big Meet in Connecticut will be there. Come on up, say hello. Thanks again, subscribe. Come on. I got 113 beautiful subs already. Can I get to something crazy like 1,000 or 2,000? Let's shoot it up there. Send it around, sub, tell your friends to sub. I barely even post. I'm not gonna clog up your whole YouTube feed. Come on, it's free. Help me out. Subscribe. I appreciate it. I love it. I'm gonna see you soon. we'll get this thing back on the road. We'll do some driving. I think I might try and hit Mexico next weekend and meet up with my buddy who's got a 2016 STI with an exhaust and I think a Cobb access port. So we might try and run it and see how she do against something like that. But man, oh man, I'm psyched to have it back. I don't even remember how to drive it. It's been so long. Oh, all right, so thanks again. Subscribe, please. I appreciate it, and I will see you soon. Yes, it's back. Fucking back.